Hello, here it's NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Today I will bring you it's a very popular model of our NAVIFORCE watch. Let's open the box to have a look. Here is the guarantee card. We will provide you 1 year guarantee. And now we can see it's the manual book. Yes, this is a popular watch today. And now it's the watch. Okay, from this menu we can see here this model is a multifunctional watch, and we got five modes. I will show you them. Open. First, we can see there are 5 buttons around the case, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons is to adjust the functions, and this bigger crown is to setting the hands. And this model is very different. We got a very bright light. When we press this button, we can see the bright. It's wonderful. And now it's the normal mode. We can press this button to change different mode. Sorry, I will introduce every single mode first. Here we can see is the date, and here is the weekly. S means the Sunday, and M means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And here the T is on, means today is Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And this bigger window is the time. And here the second is working now on the 9 o'clock position. When we press this, here SP display means it's the stopwatch mode. Press again. Now it's our AL is the alarm clock mode now, and TR means it's the countdown mode now, and T2 it means the dual time mode now. And here come back to the normal mode, and this button and this button is to use to adjust every single function. If you want to know how to adjust every single model, you can read this manual book, or later I will have another video to teach you how to set the every single mode. Have a foot look at this watch. This watch is a little thick and heavy, but for men I think it's very proper and nice. And this Millennium thread is very soft and well fit for the wrist, especially for summer. It's very cool. And also it set this button to turn on the light. We also have the luminous coating on the hands and on the indices. Okay, and this watch we got 6 colors. I will show you later. Okay, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this silver one. Now I will show you the other colors, and this is the deep blue color. and the case is the rose gold color. The button, the 4 button is silver color, and the crown is the same color as the strap. And the lights on, press this button and change different model by this button. Now is the normal button. Okay, this tool is black color, but the difference is only the case. This black color case are food bread, and the case is gold color. I will show you singly. And okay, this is the food bread. Okay, the next one is the coffee color. This is a coffee combined the rose gold case. And also the 4 button is silver color, and the crown here is the same color as the strap. I want to try this coffee color on my wrist. Yes, it's beautiful. A very big dial. The diameter is big too. Lights on. Change the model by this button. Lights on for 3 seconds. Okay, the last color is the gold color. Only the 4 button is silver, and others all gold color in the buckle. Okay, this is all color for today. If you want to know others models, just let me know the model number. I will make the review next time on the next video. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.